All right, guys. I don't know why I always get so happy when I'm recording videos. Anyways, I gotta show you guys something. I moved again. I know it's fucking the 100th time this fucking last 2 years, but we got a new studio setup, which is super fire, and I want to show you guys. So let's go upstairs. Make sure to watch till the end of the video, because what we're going to do today is make a fire beat, like always. So the house is still a little bit of a mess, but I'm loving this camera. But yeah, a lot has been going on. Sorry for being inactive on YouTube. It's just been going crazy with like video editing, video shooting, and that has been taking up a lot of time. Building businesses, doing social media management, and then also creating content for you guys. But here we are. Oof, this looks cool. This looks cinematic shots. Boom. By the way, I'm doing a giveaway on this audio interface right here, because all of a sudden my old interface started working again. I love this one. It's a SSL2, super fire for if you're recording vocals. It's just insane because of the 4K knob right here. But this Arturia, damn, I'm out of bread. This Arturia one, oh shit. This Arturia one is also super fire. I love this one. Shout out Arturia. It's not sponsored or anything, but I love the company. But yeah, this, if you're looking for a cheap, good audio interface, this one is really solid. I'm giving this one away pretty soon, so make sure to follow me on Instagram, because there I will be giving all the information on the giveaway, so you guys can stay up to date on that. I feel like we should turn on the lights. Create a vibe. Damn, that was up close, my bad guys. Ooh, look at this vibe. I like this. Yes, I love this. This looks cool. Maybe I should have another light in there. Something. Yes. This looks solid. Yes. I like this vibe. Also, these lights, they respond to music. So this project is called Passion. I already started a little bit. I found this loop and I pitched it down, which is really solid. I also EQ'd it a little bit. Bro, this is a vibe. With the bass in there. God damn. Yeah. Yeah. And I got this counter melody right here. Add some distortion to this. I don't know why, but this looks fucking, oh shit, it's even responding to my voice, the lights. That's crazy. So let's just add some fast dist on there. So these are the drums separate. Really simple. I got 3 claps and snares layered. So it's like a wide clap, sorta, just a simple pattern, and then layered with a snare, and then with the third snare, it gives like a real punch in there. Hi-hat, it's like an open hat, sorry. And then at the end I have like these little rolls in there. That just creates like a lot of bounce and groove in the drum pattern. Then this kick right here is also super solid, super punchy, layered with another kick. But I like the high end on that kick right there, so I layered it. Like without it, just with it. I don't know, it just adds on to it. And then hi-hat, just simple. I also played with the velocity right here, it's going up and down. And I added some portal on this, just to create like something different with the hi-hats. Otherwise it's like just going 2-step the whole time. Also another thing is on this pattern right here, this counter melody. I played this in, by the way, on the keyboards. This is sidechained, like the kick is sidechaining inside of that sound. So every time the kick hits, this sound ducks down. I'll play the example right here. As you can hear, it ducks down. Right here, you can see it on the graph. It just adds on to the swing of the whole melody. Pretty cool. Yeah! Yes! Something simple like that. Let's record that in there. Add some super VHS to this. Some delay as well. Now what it can use is a vocal. I'm like 100% sure a vocal would add on to this. Like I'm thinking about maybe adding some like chops in there and also creating a B part for, let's say, when a rapper goes harder on it or crazier. It's a little bit more up-tempo because right now the drums are really like calm, but I can definitely hear like Travis or maybe Don Toliver on this, even Yeet maybe, because I know he did like some type of beats in this style. I don't like this ending part, so I'm going to copy over that last bit. like an 808, just something more, you know, hard hitting. So I'll go into the Galaxy drum kit. Add that in there. Bro, this is imprinted in my brain. Copy over that Portal preset, but just turn it down a tiny bit. I don't want the hi-hat to just be like just a little bit of reverb on there, and like that. You can't hear it. Yes, that's it. Yeah. Right here. Anyways, this was a video. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you especially learned from this. If you did, don't forget to leave a like and a comment down below. Would appreciate that. Make sure to subscribe if you're new, and make sure to follow me on Instagram. Damn, it's a lot of things you have to do, but we made a fire beat, so make sure to stick around for more beat making videos. Take care. Peace.